ready to turn your scrolling habit into a selling opportunity. First, you'll need an Instagram account. If you already have one, great. If not, download the Instagram app from your app store and create a personal account. We'll convert it to a professional account in the next steps. Now, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines or the gear icon in the top right corner to access the menu. Scroll down and tap on Account. This will take you to all the settings related to your profile and data. Scroll down again, almost to the very bottom, and you'll find an option that says Switch to Professional Account. Tap on that. Instagram will now show you a couple of screens explaining the benefits of a professional account. These include things like accessing insights to track your performance, adding contact buttons to your profile, and running ads. Read through these and tap Continue. Next, choose a category that best describes your business. Be as specific as possible to help people find you. You can search for a category in the search bar at the top. For example, if you sell handmade jewelry, you might select jewelry and watches store or something similar. After selecting, tap Done. Now, you'll be prompted to choose between a business and a creator account. For most people selling products, a business account is the right choice, as it provides more features tailored towards businesses. Tap Business. Here, add your business contact information. This includes your email address, phone number, and business address. This is optional, but it's highly recommended, especially for building trust with your customers. Make sure the information is accurate, and then tap Next. Instagram will now ask you to connect to a Facebook page. This is optional, but highly recommended if you have a Facebook business page. Connecting your accounts allows you to run ads across both platforms and manage your shop more efficiently. If you don't have a Facebook page or don't want to connect it at this time, you can skip this step. Congratulations, you now have an Instagram business account. Now, optimize your profile with a clear profile picture, a concise bio describing what you sell, and a link to your website or online store. Start posting high-quality photos of your products and using relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience.